Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today we're turning out this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford F-250 XLT. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as black handles and black mirror caps. This 2022 F-250 also comes with a remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with the door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely beige leather seating with adjustable looking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, electrical options on the left, and a medium hatchery option on the right, which is above me rearview mirror, along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2022 F-250, you can see it has 92,032 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face are the options available, such as our audio phone integration, along with our application and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. If there are any more questions for this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford F-250 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.